Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement solutions. Today, we're diving into the world of farmhouse sinks, and I've got something truly special to share with you. Meet the Lava Odoro 30-inch workstation farmhouse sink, touted as the best black farmhouse sink available in the market. Now, what sets this sink apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details. Crafted from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, this farmhouse sink is built to last. It's not just about durability, though. The sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen space. But it's not just about looks. The grit blast technique with speckled effect not only enhances the sink's aesthetic appeal but also protects it from scratches and abrasive impacts. Say goodbye to unsightly marks and hello to long-lasting beauty. Now, let's talk accessories. This sink comes with everything you need for a fully functional workstation. From a roll-up dish drying rack to a stainless steel colander, a hardwood cutting board, a bottom dish grid, and a drain with basket strainer and cover, it's all included. Talk about convenience. And let's not forget about space. With a 10-inch deep basin and tight radius corners, this farmhouse sink maximizes space while maintaining a modern aesthetic. It's perfect for accommodating large cookware and makes cleaning a breeze. But what about functionality? The upgraded sloped bottom and integrated channel grooves ensure easy draining, while the proprietary Noise Defend soundproofing technology keeps things quiet, even during the busiest of kitchen moments. So there you have it, folks. The Lava Odoro 30-inch workstation farmhouse sink. With its unmatched quality, functionality, and style, it's no wonder why it's considered the best black farmhouse sink on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you next time.